Welcome to my channel Kitchen with Bubbly. I'm here to teach you some delicious food. I will give you the recipe of every kind of food that you want. It might be the desi food, the fast food, or a Chinese food. I will try my best to give you new, quick, and best recipes. If you're not a good chef, so don't be worried about it. It is so easy to do because I'm here to teach you. Also tell me in the comment section that which next recipe you want. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss any update from us. I'm super excited here to cook new stuff with you, and you might be too.